Meme coin trading on Solana is in full swing again, and with it, Beercoin is going up very quickly in a short period of time. Let's have a look at some on-chain data most people aren't looking at. Let's consider how much longer this rally could last. Is this manipulation by the whales? Is this accumulation by a lot of retail investors? Let's dive deep into the details. So today we are up more than 50%, and that is pretty much all the gains we have seen since the listing on CoinMarketCap, because that listing happened on the 27th of May. So 2 days ago. But actually, when we look on chain, we had quite a bit of a rally before the listing on CoinMarketCap already, more than 400%. Now here's something interesting. Have a look at the bottom over here. This is the trading volume. And in general, there is a high correlation between price appreciation and trading volume. So whenever trading volume is high, the price tends to be high. Whenever trading volume dies down, the price can correct. So this simply shows that the more attention there is on a token, the higher the price can go, right? There is a correlation between activity and price. But let's have a look at how much higher this can climb. Let's look at the liquidity pool sizes on Solana. So this is all the top meme coins on Solana. Beercoin has already the 7th largest liquidity pool, but that doesn't mean that there's no more upside. Dog with Hat has a 3 times larger liquidity pool. Book of Meme and Slurf almost 10 times that of Beer. So if Beercoin was to become the largest meme coin on the Solana chain, directly on chain, not on the centralized exchanges, then we've got another 10x from here. This is the best outcome, I believe. Will that happen? Your guess is as good as mine, but it's always good to have some kind of an idea what the potential upside is, right? When we're trading risk versus reward, the largest reward that I believe is realistic is a 10x. Now you can already see from the beginning of this video that I'm not going to bore you with the marketing jazz on the website, because this is not how we can get an edge versus others. Meme coin trading is a game of having more data than others. And the data that's on the website is not necessarily anything that's giving you any kind of advantage. Meme coin trading in the end is still a player versus player game. And what I'm trying to find out in this video is whether or not this is manipulation by the whales, or if there's actually a lot of people jumping on this now. Is this an organic rally? Let's have a look at the Twitter profile. Interesting enough, there's 0 followings, but 130,000 followers with roughly 4 to 5k views per post. There are 6,000 wallets that traded in the last 24 hours, so that kind of makes sense. So it doesn't look like Twitter is necessarily manipulated. There's 1,300 more buyers than sellers in the last 24 hours. That's what's explaining the price rally. So it's not the whales that are dumping on this rally, at least at the moment. Very important with fresh meme coins like Beercoin is always how safe is the token. Is the smart contract safe? When you buy the token on chain, is there a chance that you can't sell it anymore? For example, because there is honeypot token code in there, which then force locks up your capital and you can never withdraw it. That's actually very common. So what I like to do is I like to go to dextools.io and I like to search for the token, and the results we get here is that there's no alerts. We've got a positive community trust vote and also a nice DEX tools score. So this all looks good. An instant rug pull here is very unlikely. What's also interesting is how the trading volume of this recent rally is smaller than the trading volume initially. This is healthy. This shows little manipulation, little wash trading. Now with any meme coin, it's always important that there's more new investors coming into the token versus recurring traders, right? When it's just recurring traders, it's player versus player. Then the people that got in early, they exit, they dump the price. When there's still new people jumping on a token, then there's simply an expanding investor base, more capital. More capital means higher prices. So let's have a look at the number of new traders versus recurring traders over time. We can see this in this chart over here. The recurring traders are in orange, the new traders are in purple. And we had a massive influx on the 26th of May. That then balanced out on the 27th and 28th. But now we see another rally, but we don't yet see a lot of new first-time traders. Very, very interesting. So it seems like the people that are currently buying might partially be the heavyweights as well, might partially be the larger wallets. And so let's have a look at that split up. Let's look at the whale activity versus large retail, medium retail, and small retail. And we can see that small retail is slightly growing over time, but there's no massive composition change over those last days. So when the price is currently rising and the activity across all wallet cohorts is the same as before, then that would imply that the price might continue to rise. Now I want to point out something regarding the hours of the day. When does it actually make sense to buy meme coins within the day? Is there some kind of cyclicality? I believe the answer here is a clear yes. Have a look at this. There is waves whenever new people come in, and it seems to be bottoming out at around midnight UTC, right? Midnight to 2 a.m. UTC. This is when we have very little trading activity, very few new and recurring traders trading. And we've already talked about that effect, right? When there's low activity, prices tend to be lower. When there's a lot of activity, when there's a lot of attention, prices tend to rise. So it might make sense to always buy around midnight UTC time zone, at least for the very fresh meme coins. I will continue to make updates on Beercoin. I will continue to look at the on-chain metrics. The tool that you've seen, by the way, is available in premium. You can plug in any Solana token in that tool. Free for you to check it out. It's down below, thebitcoinstrader.com. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated because it does help the channel grow. If you don't yet want to pay for premium, there's also a free Telegram. Link is as well down below. Looking very much forward to chatting with you.